It's after midnight, everybody's gone to bed. It's time for some midnight ops.
Okay, gonna finish up my Gun4IR conversion of my Super Jolt gun. Like I said before, this one's a little different as Arduino is outside the gun chassis. First thing to do is create the board that's going to jump the connections from the gun to the external cable. I have a total of 9 connections that need to be made. I use a 4-pin terminal mount for the common ground and 2 9-pin terminal mounts for the other wire. Once I have the 9-pin connectors soldered in, I jump them to create a connection. I really hate and dread this part as a wrong switch can ruin the work. However, some patience and solder wick can clean up any mistakes. Important thing to double check here is that your terminal mounts are pointed in the right direction. I didn't, and the 4-pin was soldered in backwards. I don't have a desoldering gun, so I spent quite a bit of time desoldering and removing it. I'm going to use my sander to sand down this board to fit. Here's a picture of the sander I use. It makes really quick work of these. I use my Dremel to widen out the screw hole, and my wire clippers to fine tune the shape of the board. Now it's a matter of extending the wires and making the terminal connections. I use shrink wrap on all my connections. Once that is done, screw all the terminal connections into the mount. I have to double up on some of the wire colors so I take notes on what goes where. All I have to do now is make the terminal connections on the other side of the cable, connect it to Arduino, adjust the camera using the calibration software, and we're good to play. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Otherwise, see you on the next Midnight Ops.